In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the month function in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a long list of dates and needed to group them by month for a report, stop doing it manually. Google Sheets can pull out the month for you instantly, and it only takes a single formula. Here's the idea. The month function looks at a date and returns a number from 1 to 12, where 1 is January, 2 is February, and so on. To use it, click an empty cell next to your first date eisvegen. Type equals month, open the parenthesis, and click the cell that contains your date. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You'll see a number appear that represents the month of that date. For example, if your date is in January, you'll see a 1. Before you drag the formula down the column, make sure your dates are real dates, not text that just looks like a date. If Sheets recognizes them as dates, they'll align to the right by default, and you can change the format using the Format menu and Date. If they're not real dates, Month won't return the correct result. Once the first result looks good, use the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell to drag the formula down your entire list. In seconds, you'll have a clean column of month numbers. This is perfect for sorting and filtering because you can quickly group all entries from the same month. It also sets you up to build a pivot table summarized by month, which is a great way to roll up totals or counts without touching the original data. If you prefer to see the month name instead of a number, here's a simple pro tip. Use the text function to format the date as a word. Click an empty cell, type equals text, select your date, add a comma, and in quotes, type 4, capital M's. That pattern, MMM, tells Sheets to display the full month name, like January. Press enter, and you'll get a clean, readable label you can use in reports. If you'd rather see a short version, use 3 M's for Jan, Feb, Mar, and so on. Keep in mind that text returns text, not a number, so it's great for labels and presentation. With numbers or names, you can now organize your dates like a pro. Use month for quick grouping, or text for polished, human-friendly month labels. If this tip helped, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets hacks.